welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Okay guys, so today I'll be making callaloo rice as most of you guys requested. I see all your comments. Day by day I will be making different stuff that you guys been commenting, and actually callaloo rice is one of my favorite rice. But today I'll show you the whole process of doing it. I'm gonna also add a little mixed vegetable to that because I love my callaloo rice with mixed vegetables. Please remember to give this video a like, share, and if you're new to this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and continue to make those amazing comments about the recipe. And I will be doing the recipe that you guys been commenting and asking me the meals to make. I will be doing that, so stay tuned and thank you. Appreciate you all. So first I have my callaloo here. This was already washed and I have had a little salt to wash it. All right, and then I have my mixed vegetable here. I'm not going to use a lot in it. And then of course we have garlic that we're going to use. Alright, and we're just going to use half stick of butter. And I'm going to use my coconut powder. You can use the natural coconuts, you can use the tin one, you can use the grace one, whatever one you want. I have the Caribbean choice today and that's what I'm going to use. And I also have my fresh vegetables. So I have thyme, I have scallion, and I have some pimento seed, and I have country pepper, you know, Scotch bonnet pepper, and I have a piece of sweet pepper. All right, so that's what I'm going to use. So yeah. Okay guys, so now I have 1 cup of water into the pot. So I'm going to add a cup of coconut milk to that. All right, so we're going to allow this to boil for 10 minutes before we add the rest of the ingredients in. And then we're going to use half teaspoon of salt. So a little salt. I'm sorry guys, I never mentioned this. So we're going to add a little all-purpose season into it. We're going to use half teaspoon of the all-purpose season in. And I'm using the Maggi all-purpose seasoning into it. All right. Okay, so I have some pimento here. This is like 4 seeds of pimento, but I crushed it. I like to crush it when I'm making my callaloo rice. So, and then I'm just gonna add my thyme in, so everything can boil with coconut milk. And I have 2 pegs of garlic that I'm gonna add. And I also have my sweet pepper. And I'm going to just cut that into 2 pieces and add it into the pot. I'm just going to add my sweet pepper in there. And I have my scallion that I'm going to add in there. And also my Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm just going to give that a stir like that. Then I'm going to add the vegetables to that after 10 minutes, and then I add my rice to this. Alright, so I leave that to boil for 10 minutes. So if you want to make a callaloo rice, you don't have the mixed vegetable, you just add the callaloo and you get your callaloo rice. So that's the only difference, because I love it with the mixed vegetable inside. That's why I do it like that. But yeah, your callaloo rice. Alright. So now that the coconut milk been boiling for 10 minutes, we're going to add our other vegetable in. We're calling on our mixed vegetable. So the reason why the coconut milk was boiled, we want it to, for 10 minutes, we want it to boil up properly, right? So let's just add our callaloo in. Like that. Then we're going to add our butter. So I'm using half stick of butter in it. Like that. going to leave this for another 5 minutes, and then I'm going to add my rice to it. We'll leave it for like 5 to 8 minutes, and then we had our rice, as I said before. And people, if you went there, they smell this. Oh my God! May I tell you, say this smells real good. All right, so I'm just going to give that a cover, and then I'll go back to add my rice in.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so now I'm going to add my rice in, which is already washed. So look how beautiful this looks. Lovely. So I'm just going to add my rice in. So I did wash this off camera. I'm just going to add my rice in, and then I'm going to leave it for about, say, 15 minutes to steam. Alright, so now, because all along my stove was on medium, so I'm just going to turn it down.
15 minutes later.
Okay guys, so I'm just giving you a little peek of my rice. So it's steaming. You see how beautiful that looks, guys? I always make this rice. It's so good. You all should try this rice. And I did go ahead and remove my pepper from it. So now I'm going to cover it and allow it to finish cook. Alright. Okay guys, so this is the finishing touch. Look at that, how lovely this is. And I'm going to taste this. Guys, please remember to give this video a big thumbs up. And remember to share this video, okay? Thank you. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.